What was he coming for?
He's probably going to do some work on the soccer fields.
Maybe he was working on something that was broken.
Maybe. Well, look at you. What you doing up there?
Just standing to see the... I can stand on 1 foot when I'm on here.
I know, be careful though.
Mommy, I'm just standing here to see the water.
Just standing there to see the water.
Is that cool, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a big one.
It's alright. Try again.
Uh-oh.
Did it fall through?
Yeah.
That's alright.
Guess so.